What is up, you guys? It's your girl Clethia, and today I'm back on a video. Today I am going to be doing my nails with the Polygel kit that I reviewed yesterday. I have everything I need right here, and I also was able to get those 2 nails off. If you hear any noises, my brother's TV is right on the wall that I'm sitting in front of, that my desk is on, well, against, and his TV is on, so you can hear it. Sorry about that. So I have what I think all I'm gonna need. So I have the tips, and I don't know my size yet, so I'm gonna size these off camera probably to save some time. I have a damping dish that I got in a Kiss acrylic kit that we're gonna use to pour the slip solution in. I want to use this color, which is Natural Pink 007, and if you was at my live, or if you watched the video, I swatched them, and this is the color. That's what it looks like. I want to use that color. I have the top and base coat, and since my nails are like nubs, except for this one, I don't really need a lot of base coat, so I'm glad that even though it did spill, I'm still able to use this without a like I know I'm still able to use it, but it's like I don't have long nails I'm working on that I need a lot of this product. We have the brush. I already said that. And we have the lamp right there. Brightness was high. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and move this out the way. And I already filed and buffed my nails. So the first step we will be doing is putting on the base coat and curing it. But I'm going to go ahead and size my nails before we do that. Alright, so these are the sizes that I think fit the best. My index finger is smaller than my middle finger because my middle finger is the one with the long nail. But for the most part, I think these are going to fit great. So now that we have the sizes of the nails, I did move you guys closer so you guys can actually see. I'm going to go ahead and put on the base coat. If you get any of it on your skin, make sure to clean it up. I did cure these for 2 minutes, and I did my thumbs separate. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put the slip solution in the damping dish. So I don't know if the base coat is supposed to be like, hold up. I'm taking off the thing. There's a thing on it. Ugh. I don't know if the base coat is supposed to have like a tacky part of it, because I cured it for 2 minutes and it still feels a little tacky, so I just left it because it might need to be a little tacky for the polygel to stick. So that's how I'm opening it. I don't know. Hold up. Okay, can you guys see that? It's clear. It doesn't have a color to it. So basically what you do, so hold on, let me get the brush. Okay, the brush. I don't think I'm gonna use the spatula. I think I'm just gonna squeeze it on the nail. So basically what you do is you take the nail and you squeeze some on, okay? And then you clean your brush in the solution and you just pat. Ooh, this polygel is soft. Until you get a shape that you like. I'm gonna add some more. Alright, so this is a shape that I have. It's gonna be basically a square, and this is the length. So I'm starting off with my thumb. So you put it on and you press. Ooh, press down, and then hold on, I gotta make sure it's straight. Is this even gonna be the right shape? Hold up, guys. I don't even think this is the right shape. 1 second. Alright guys, so I redid it. The nail I had in the last clip was a size 1. So I changed it to a size 0. I didn't mean to say shape, I meant to say size. Alright, and then you take some of the slip solution, and then you clean up around your cuticle so that gel doesn't ooze out. Ooh, I'm over here messing it up. so that the gel doesn't, when you cure it, the gel doesn't stay on your fingers. So that's why you gotta clean this up. And make sure you get the gel off your cuticle and around your finger. Alright, I think that's about right. So we're gonna go ahead and cure it and see how it does. I'll be back when it's cured. Alright guys, so I cured it, and now you're supposed to pop it off just like that. Ooh, it's a little sticky. Well, for my first try, that's basically what we got. So basically you repeat that for the rest of your nails. So I'm going to do that off camera. But that's basically what it looks like. Alright guys, this is what they look like. I know they look a little crazy, but this is my first time. So we are going to shape them to a better square shape, so it doesn't look so raggedy. And since this does have like a clear to it, you can like see my nail on that one. But we're going to shape them with the file that came with the kit. And we're going to file them with the file that I already have. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm about to do. Alrighty guys, so this is what they look like shaped and filed. They don't look that bad actually. I just hate that this one is so big, and the only reason is because I needed a big nail to cover up my whole natural nail. And the thumb is a little like you can see right in there. But that was the first one, so it is going to be a little, you know, messed up because this is my first time working with Polygel. But for the most part, the others actually turned out pretty well. So I'm going to go wash my hands, and then we're going to put the top coat on, and then I have a special surprise. Alright guys, so I have the top coat, and I'm going to do the thumb on camera, but I'm going to do the rest off. I'm going to paint all the rest off so we can save some time. If you're wondering why the past few of my videos have been only less than 9 minutes, well, 10 minutes, except for the one I went live, that's because the app I use, you can only go up to 10 minutes. So that's the thumb, and I'm not going to cure it till I do the rest. So guys, I want to put some of these little crystals I have on the cuticles, and I don't want to do just one like I did on this hand and like I did on the last design. I want to do like cuticle crystals and do a few. So I might just do these two and the index. I want to do the ones that actually look good to me. So yeah. So I ended up putting the crystals on all of my fingers. I started off with 3, but I actually did 4 because I decided that it didn't look right with just 3, especially on the fingers that are a little bigger. And I was struggling a little bit with my toothpick in my hand. So here I am curing the nails. So now it is time to hydrate the cuticles because my cuticles was looking rusty and stuff. Make sure to clean up around your nails when you're using the top and base coat, or when you cure it, it will dry. But I am not using a cuticle oil. I'm just using olive oil, which is just as good for your nails. So guys, this is the ending result of what they look like. I'm very proud of myself. This is my first time ever using gel or Polygel. The crystals made them look even better. The middle finger is a little like wide, but it's okay because my real nail is under it and that's why. But right here when I got out the camera, I was wiping off the olive oil on my hands because it was so much. But yeah, for the most part they do look good. I do like them. I like the length of them. You can actually do these on nail forms too, so I might even try doing that next. But yeah, that's the side of them, of how thick they are. And that's the Polygel that I used. If I do this again, I will use a darker Polygel. I have a design in mind that I actually want to do. These are the crystals. This is how much I have left compared to what I had in the beginning of the video. When I take these off, I'm gonna. So guys, the nails you just seen in the last clip, I actually took those off the next day because I did not like them. I hated them more than I thought I did, and I did save the crystals. But the design I had in mind, this is the design. The pictures you see, I hand drew on the flowers. For this to be my second attempt at Polygel, I like these way better. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!